Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I am unboxing another inflatable. It just got here today and I'm gonna open it if I can. It's not a Disney character like it was before. It's kind of hard to open. Come on. Oh, the box. The box is hard to open, dude. Look out. There we go. There it is. And there it is. My new Easter inflatable. It is a inflatable Easter egg. I got this from Amazon for like 23 bucks. I'm not sure what's the height. It's supposed to be like about four. Nab it. Sorry. It's supposed to be like 4.4 foot tall, or like almost 5 feet tall, and then hold on, there we go. Oh, sorry folks. My other ones. I got it open. These things not open. If this thing don't have any state, I have to dip some. Oh, it does. There it is. There's some states, a rope, instructions. Oh, they just fell out of the bag. Okay. There's the cord. There's the adapter. Okay, let's plug this thing in and see what it looks like. It's supposed to stand like 4 feet tall. Oh, that light on it too. Give it time. It says Happy Easter. I like the material on the inflatable. So this is my very first inflatable Easter inflatable. I'm gonna get a Mickey Mouse inflatable too. It'll take a while to inflate. Supposed to say Happy Easter on the. Oh, there it is. Sure is big. 4.4 inches tall. I mean, oh, hold on. It's an Easter egg. It has one LED light up there on the bottom. It's fully inflated. it is. They probably won't stand sit on its own. I have to put it against the wall or something. It's light. See the way I grabbed it? It's light. It's lightweighted. I'm gonna put it against the wall. Inflatable can be lightweighted when you pick it up. Oh. And I'm gonna put it outside maybe tonight or tomorrow. So tomorrow is April 1st, and this is my very Easter inflatable. Whoa, look at that. Wow. 4 foot tall Easter egg, and happy Easter. So Easter is in 2 weeks on the 10th, no, on the 17th of April. And I'm gonna, right after in May, I'm gonna do some 4th of July and decoration. I need to get more Easter decoration, and then oh, that's the problem. I don't know whether the sunshine is on. Sunshine on? Probably not. Probably Easter egg don't want to stand on his own. And there's a tape rope right there. And there's one on the back. One right here. One right there. One above the fan. Below the fan. There's one over here. I have to hammer it down when I just put it outside. Come on now, shut up. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for now, and I will buy another inflatable for Easter. It's gonna be Mickey Mouse. I'm not gonna tell you what he's gonna look like. So that'll be it for now, and I will catch you on the next video, and I will catch you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more unboxing and reviewing videos. Don't hit that like button, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching.